Hello and welcome to Sudoku Pro. This is a two-star puzzle today. Let's get started. In Sudoku, there are two ways of starting to solve the puzzle. One way is to systematically go through rows and columns and check for numbers systematically. Another way is to just spot on numbers on the look. There are many shortcuts available to spot on numbers. That is one way of doing it. So in this video, let's start with certain shortcuts to just spot the numbers on the look. Fine. Here you can see a triangle form of numbers 543. Whenever I see such number, I check how much it can be helpful in solving the numbers in the opposite block. So here you can also see a 2. Fine, you have 2, 5, 4 and 3. Out of this 2, 5, 3, 2, 5 and 3 are not available in this block, right? So one of these three cells will be actually taking 2, 5 and 3. Fine. Now there might be a question that 3 is blocking only these two cells. So 3 might be either in this row or this row. So that question is there. To answer that question, you need to go and cross check where 3 is there in this block. Here you have 3 blocking here and there is a 3 from here and this 3 is blocking here. So this is the 3. Now we are lucky to spot a 3 in this row, so it blocks here. So we know it very well that this cell is going to be a 3. If you do not spot a 3 here, then this root cannot be taken, right? Fine. So that's why this is a very easy puzzle. Now here you have 2 and 5 blocking here. So these two cells will take 2 and 5. Now there are three numbers left. The missing numbers are 1, 6 and 8. You have 1 and 8 blocking here, or otherwise you have 1 blocking here and this 1 blocking here. So this is a cell that has to take 1. And here we have 8 blocking, so 8 will go here. And this is a 6. See, on the look, we have just completed one block. Now in this row, there are only two empty cells. The missing numbers are 7 and 9. 7 is blocking here, so this is 9 and this is 7. Now here, as soon as we see the 7-3 pair, this 7-3 pair, we need to just check whether 7-3 pair in this row or not. So there is obviously a 7-3 pair here. That shows that there got to be a 7 in this row. 7 is blocking here, so this is 7. So now you can always spot 7 by easily checking this 7 and this 7 here, but this is a trigger to check where 7 has to be. So this will help you to easily spot on the number 7 here. Now you have 6 blocking here, so this is 6. Now fine, now trying to fill this row, the missing numbers are 1, 4 and 8. So immediately we need to check for the availability of 1s, 4s and 8s here. Now here you have 4 blocking here and this 4 blocking here and we have 4 from here. So this is a 4. So the missing numbers are 1 and 8. So this will be a pair here. So moving down here, this block is filled with six numbers and these missing numbers here are 1, 2 and 8. So fine, you have 8 blocking here. So this will be 1, 2. There is a 1 blocking here. So this will be 2, 8. And this will be 1, 2, 8. So that shows these three cells are a triplet. These three cells take numbers 1, 2 and 8. So when we say a triplet, in this entire row, no other cells can take 1, 2 or 8, right? So that leaves with these two cells with two missing numbers 5 and 9. So they take 5 and 9. So now this middle section is sorted out. though we have not found out all the numbers, we at least know what numbers goes where. So when you start a puzzle this way, it is very easy to solve it quickly rather than going across all the rows and columns checking for each and every number. Let's try to now fill this block in one go. The tip is look for numbers which are not available in this block but available in this block. So that is only going to help us. So this 9 blocks here, this 9 blocks here, this is a 9. And we have 5 here, 5 blocks here, and this 5 blocks here. This is a 5. This 6 blocks here. So this is 6. Fine. We have these two numbers can take 2 and 3. So let us mark it as a pair. So here 1 blocks and here 1 blocks. So this cell is 1. And now you can see a 8-7 pair here. So this blocks these two cells. So obviously this cell has to take 8-7 pair. Here 7 blocks out. So 7 got to be in one of these two cells, and 8 has to be in one of these 3 cells. Now this 8-7 is not a complementary pair, because complementary pairs are the one where there are only 2 cells which can take two numbers. So here this is not the case. Here 8 can go in this cell also. So this is not a complementary pair here, but still this will help us in solving. So let's just keep it as an indication. Now here this 8-7 blocks these two cells, and this 8-7 blocks here. So we know that this is the row which will take 8 and 7. So here we can see 8-7. So this 8-7 blocks here, this 8-7 blocks here, this 8-7 blocks here. So these are the two cells which can take 8 and 7. We have, so let's mark it for your clarity. So these are the two cells which will take 8 and 7. Here 8 is blocking out. So this cell will take 7 and this will take 8. Fine, so that leaves with only one empty cell. We have another cell having 2, 3. So this pair will take the complementary pair 2, 3. Fine, now we have 4 blocking here, this 4 blocking here. So this could be a 4. Now missing numbers are 5, 6, 2 and 3. So there are 4 cells not yet to be filled, and the missing numbers are 5, 6, 2 and 3. Now we are missing a lot of clues, so we should actually know where 5 is placed. So we cannot fill this block right now. So let's move on. In this column, you can see 2 empty cells here. Actually 3 empty cells. So the missing numbers are 2, 2, 4 and 5. Now this cell is blocked by 4 here. So this takes 4. And this empty cell will take 2, 5. So this again becomes a 2, 5 pair. 3 blocks here. There is a 3 blocking from here, and there is a 3 here. So this cell takes 3. So that leaves with this row with 4 empty cells, and the missing numbers are 1, 5, 7 and 9. Now if you take this cell, 9 blocks here. So this 9 blocks this cell. there is a 9 here which blocks this cell. This 9 blocks here, and there is a 9 here which blocks this cell. So this is the only cell where 9 can be. Now if you analyze this cell, this is blocked by 5 and 1 here. So here both 1 and 5 cannot be, so this can take only 7. So that leaves with 1 and 5. Here 1 is blocking, so this will take 5 and this will be 1. So because of this 4, this becomes 2. The missing numbers here are 7 and 9. So you have a 7 here. So this is a 9 and this is 7. Now this 9 blocks here. There is a 9 blocking from here. So this is a 9. This 2 blocks here. So this is 2. Now the missing numbers are 1, 6 and 8. So here we have 6 and 8 blocking. So this is a 1 and we have a 6 blocking here. This 6 blocks here. So this is 8 and this is 6. So in this row, the only missing number is 5. This cancels out the 5 here. This becomes 9 and this becomes 5. So the missing numbers here are 6, 7 and 8. But we are still missing certain clues to find out. So here 1 cancels out the 1 here and this becomes 8, and here 8 is cancelled and this becomes 1. Now 6 and 8 are blocks here. So this cell will take 7 and these two cells will take 6, 8 pair. So this 2 cancels out the 2 here. This becomes 5 and this becomes 2 and this becomes 3 and this becomes 2 and this becomes 3. Fine. Now in this column there is only one empty cell and the missing number is 5, and the missing numbers here are 2 and 6. So missing number in this row is 1. And so moving here, we know that this 8, 7 is blocking here, and we have 8, 7 blocking here. So these are the two cells which will take 8 and 7. So 7 is blocking here. So this becomes 8 and this becomes 7. Fine. So here the missing number is this complementary pair 2, 6. This will be a 2, 6 now. Since we have 6 blocking here, this becomes 2 and this is 6. The missing numbers here are, so here this will become a 2. So the missing numbers here are 5 and 6. So there is a 5 here. So this is a 6 and this is a 5. So here this 8 cancels out the 8 here. So this becomes a 6 now and this becomes a 8. Here there is a 1 here. So this 1 cancels out and this becomes 2. So this 2 cancels out, this becomes 8, and here this becomes 1. And the puzzle is solved.